Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down again to localize the screen timeout option and tap on it. As you can see here, we've got some screen timeout options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is to simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.